Hello everyone, how una dey? Na me una sister Mrs. BB show. So this topic one I wan talk na me I quick talk am before my I say na work not for dey do my video. I no dey get time. If me I dey still dey change cloth for una, but this one no be cloth matter. You know my mom ajo, you understand? I no fit say I wan do live make I dey change cloth. Even if na wa yangu na be, my yangu na be. Ikina wear this thing now. So my people, we wan talk about people wey be say they no get shame for their two eye. So you know, so this my program say na where to respect husband. Na this program be where to respect your husband. Where if husband still do bad to wife, you go still let her know say wetin you do so you no go beg your wife. You say you go say wan go beg am make you only down for am o. Omo na ya in your there are many ways to beg woman. He go still forgive you naturally. Fine. One of my friend say he get one of his friend wey he don first go husband house, which is he don born two for the man because say the man no come get work. You know as this country be now, where with everybody know. So while the woman, they say the mama, the boy no get mama again. The woman now they do the man like say na him housemate. He forget say the beautiful children wey he dey there and that man na him get there. If you know say man no dey try, just go sleep with a firewood, whether you go get belle. Impossible. Now let that one respect your husband. I know so many people don't like my program because I know they even see una subscribe. I know they say I know okay. On the YouTube but now I want it better, but I like to do it to advise people who see they sleep, we don't know how to hold in marriage. Man wey God you give you, say make it come. This one are your own man. You're true because of stupidity. You go just true and just like that. Say I beg, you have more. What you wait, you want like a type of way, not on me. I mean, yes, I don't like coconut tiba. Different thing, you know. I like your day. I mean, yes, I don't like a Monday. I want to make this one like a. Okolog le wa fi o wa, omo ka omo here. You say no man like it. And what you like, now you go chop. That be this life. So this my friend say want make I take and advise people. I don't really know the people, sha. I don't know them. You say fine. He come and say this man. He said no, what day he can't do where he did. What did they do this man? And the man come call and say, come, my dear. Oh, now if this man leave you, go hard though. You know say. Oh, my mama baby not be now, but you know say man. Even though they dey 100 years, if they get small like this, they fit see 15 years there we go stay with them. Say you can't answer, say na truth. No do. You come to this, you have to scatter the marriage, quarrel. He say no sabi bear something. He must attack the man. Say na his friend. He must. He say he can't even tire. Say sometimes say he can't even the stay clear from that woman. Make no come initiate and tell see come they do your husband like that because your husband they try for her. You know, fit kill the man. He said he punish this man. He go even cause mama when he don't die. Cause all generation to generation. He say he do this man. Oh, he say my friend say he say he do this man well. He said they don't they do like that. Always some time. Thank God say never born boy. He say he go the place make you know if you want to get better make it the born get. Or see no go come stay. Go be say one woman come they cause am. You say come they feel that some women, all of them they do, but you know they do it to your husband like that. I think can't touch my friend rich. But this my story when they give for that true life. What's happening with the talk? So he say one day na the man come tire. You get to go. Come say if me and you come call the woman say if me and you continue our relationship like this, when we know we say we dey, one go kill one my dear. So since you don't tire for the matter. I will you they don't they die put make it go when you continue with your life. So that's what the man tell. He say he say my friends what he can even wonder and pass. When this woman they stay with your husband, he see get boyfriend. You know for space for happen. You get boyfriend we go they meet. Why make money there? They talk and never see they talk and they said this I never also really see him. He say he see get boyfriend we go they meet. And that other spirit then they push over to the thing they sort your husband. say the man come comot, that was say the thing no come kill the man, but no come make the man take mune, no come know where they go, no come know him left, no come see go know him right. So na so the man come do be that time. Say he advise his friend though, say come friend, where you dey go? So a very big decision and you dey take go, you know here. When the people say they all look on here, maybe a car, or can you go near her? But you gotta go and go. If you talk to her, you go your best to be said, go to talk and you know be here again. So this life. So they come here and say, you must consider Belle. Don't forget to choose. You must consider Belle. As you get Belle, it's a reality. You know not the man will be pregnant for you. They still saying that this is husband. He cut us. He come one day. He cut us. He don't marry. If you don't marry, they say this man. So they just get luck for this man. If the man they can say tomorrow not day, they help him do everything for him. Help him. He help him well. They say the man help him well. You wait to my friend tell me. The man really help him. When you help him, I won't talk. Bad head, I be bad head. No matter what you go do for them, they not go know. Or when we want to feel who we are, they say money and we are saying, and they don't care. They will feel beautiful. Now those kind of people, now everybody they pray for person who be bad. They do pray. We say make God they push more for our life. Now listen to this. What happened for here? For Spain. He say the man help him. What he say life can't change. You go pass the one time when he there with his husband when he go to church. Like when you come on the same thing, they say life when you change. Man really they take care of fun. You still get up for that one, another two opportunity. No. They say he see something the man still doing. They say no they come down for man. We say no they come down for man. He say no they come down for man. He say no they don't come. He say no go advice on the girl. They say come born girl for this one so. They say this one they know they plan to want to go marry him. This one go not say good person. God don't collect him. Even though he see temptation, he must survive the temptation. They say this one they call mama papa say one go if don't see one woman when you want marry. They say as this one come look mama papa he be he say he like him. Well I am go young. They say never ever pay. That character will be the keeps his name. Don't try come on. No so wait na je boy. Thank God say mama my Benin name. I don't care. Oh my God, the most people must know about you. And then so the reality, but that's so what you be. Nothing. So what you be. That say mama say oh me no spoon boni beer. You know we have you know more work and I don't mama am more code no they know better than that. You go do my Benin name go be Unime. My Benin name na Unime. Na we just believe where hola. Un cortado?
No fuerte.
Flojo.
No fuerte.
Unime mama. Una time you ven on la don't you tell me man you all that is my real name Unime. O wa se mo mo gbole Unime mo pe ga ba ti Unime. Ye mo do obi na ni. Do not think so sir. See what they do. Comment do café pour comme yo. So I don't come back, my people. That my name, my husband love, and then when I go do marriage, don't look at me. Because reality, my name is Becky. Let me please say BB. So I will know what I understand. What I want to put this thing. John and dear BB show. Becky. My real name is Becky. Why my Benin name? Now Unime. Again, the woman knows no Pony Biani. And now we got beer. No more when I tell Unime. So all I want to say is what. If you want to call me, they say if you call me that name, in the like, kind of get joy. The boy will give my daughter say, and I said no. I don't want to give my daughter my name. Then the boy will give my daughter for their language. And I say no. Say, may you leave that one for me. And maybe they will mean it. So give her another name. So my friend say, no do. And so it can't be, say, it's still carry that stupid character, stupidity. Carry and come on. Say, he said that man be the lover. My friend say, if you see person once, he go not the kind person when you be. The day when you just see the man with him, say that son and he husband when one marry. So he said the man talk to her, they talk fine, man get sense. Man a good person. So he come greet her brother, thank you. That's when they good now. Well, if you want. If you say you will know, if you can greet her well. You happy said at the end, if the first one still leave, the second one I still get picking for her. You see, the man, a good man. You can't even good past the one way fair. No, hardworking man. So now the father I can't and let her. You know, when the father do this thing for her, say the man they look her. The man they read. He said the man what the thing don't evolve now. Everybody don't know. Me no, I don't know the people. So the market not one day can see one person when you know. And the market talk tell my friend this one. I say can see one person when you know. Na come to say, your wife don't born no, and you don't marry. But never your marriage, but don't born. And your wife they don't born. They don't born one. Because it will be that your lovely wife. Because I can't show the picture of this woman with the pikin when you born for her. So you can say the man when you show can remember this face. This person you know now. You know this person. So you come to talk. I know this. I know this lady. Don't feel born two children. For one man like the one feel free. Come say yes. Right now, like wife. He said the man come to say no. Wait. So now the man wife come see your come. They jump for that. They just see come. As you come to say. Obo kan mo ma ko no ba na osi maybe no nia boso no na bia na you see the con not what you say if your person they go inside fire the one you constantly say the one attack the way you take shock it's good to be good my people they have good character because people they ask questions about person and they come after they worry me it's good to be good my people. It's good to be good. Unimo mase, unimo mama se, yemi nita, unimo mase. Emiesi, omagbe no mao. He said the man fell the police say, hola.
Hola amiga.
Dime.
Dame dos cafés, un café con leche y un americano. Tostada con qué tiene?
Tostada de todo. Queso, jamón yo. Jamón serrano.
Vale, dame.
Aceite. ¿Con qué?
Vale, dame. Cómela con jamón serrano y queso.
Y queso los dos.
Y un poquito de aceite.
Muy bien. Como aqui para onde são tá de como? So my people, make I carry this camera on this side. Me I dey talk to una. I wan walk. So he said na do ma kun your shock. Say tá ma won ko ma ni. Then na make don't go die side. What na here na dey talk so no fun no dey check na character. Emi bu no kuluwa bo bodo. O kana we ola we and I come for and I come here if na hear this news. Because different way tell me no go tell and say I dey do live video. He say you're surprised. We want match something me I just see me na tell no say I don't dey do like I feel the time start go start. You know the person on live dey talk. Now you go subscribe for me. Which is, he could tell me, say, make a cock and come out. Not say, do well for the information. Make a better or sit and see small viewers. Or see, subscribe, when I see, press that notification button. Come on, people. He said, only for women now, only for women will be blessing to men. Women. When you good, when you get good heart, you go say what thing can happen. You go say on Tamar, the man come surprise. What is Tamar? Mama tell me what did they happen? Yeah, they away. Yeah, the man take them. The man, or take your boy and go what? No, come on, man. And I will need mama, no mama. All work working on you not turn or say my then I ain't bed. Where you dey go, so you know like the place. Or that means say even though you don't born for you, you don't know. Say now what you go have, but if you want make you last. Okona ma. O be no kan wa here or see ma be anu. O win o wa. O ya kin to no gbe. Ejo. You know no sunu Valencia. Valencia very money. Ebo ni maji. O na wo no sunu. Oh yeah, quand on a Joe, Joe was oscillé, généré, on a brosse. A benny walk, Yana, on a brosse will talk later. I don't know where I move. More that the country of Winland, I will be here, or man, I will know over when you get barney, Mamma, the market say, do not put the machine on you 2 gamers. You might tell me it's a man, maybe I hear you wow. I'm on your way. Ma be babo o to boy ne go ma okpa ona go ko na we e o keke pa leti o ko na number 1 ore number 2 ni ne gi e o po bo ra ko ne lelero ele mara jo ko na yaskata so e mana amoy be give up amoy be kama give one gi yemi ne wotalele ni amoy be wa go masi so o plan do a test ndaga masi teno ana go se o bi a test ko why you are deja? Oba na do tester. Ono do da, we na do da, ono do da mo de e mata ni ngere ta lele nu. E mata gele no. Ni mata be jabo si o eliji. O gwa na do mi o we. O gele wa be tester o khara bo tojo gbudi. Won na je gwe e ga je ban. Ono do ti ana gwa wesi, ni te wa khian. Ni te wa in o conseniense. Ni te pa. Ale be wrong place. Wesi Wesi. Ndo tija waje masha din ayeri oko mo na mo ko agbe. Iwo ni wa fun en wa ko ya enjoy gbin. Omo no wa bi ni ete ni ewu na. Ko ni go ni ya ko common. Owo be tag bi gba bi ni ro to ba le gbe. Yen wa gbe yan no mu ni no gbe mu ni amu ni gometi mu ni ma go alo. E wa na go na no to Valencia. Emi ki mo wa gbo na mai. Ife stories ni de gbe. Ito lang nagsiyawan. don't come back to I will give people food. When they say they chop them because I dey like many ingredients for food. Taking out this, taking out. Oh, just they never go like this. Go. Pan bugatti, pan samosa rano with pesto. This one now 4 euros. Come on, people. I don't come back, my people. When I come see us matter, when I share this video, may go meet where the woman. This is a work out again and figure. Yeah, so your opportunity tonight don't inspire for life. They don't inspire tomorrow. They go they cry. Another time people now go see if you feel go they progress. It go the pen. Go say oh no more see area. Mommy and now God be try for your life. So my people, I don't come back. I don't say. He said the man called the tester because the man a good man. You never know what the friend talk. He come on leave them for there. You can go try her. Because because don't date here. You know that because relationship don't date the heart. Now by in the heart. He said the man called they try. They can't try for more than 6 times. You cannot assurance. Where they are here, or you may have him. mo mano, mo not sang vem. Mo ge mulher. Oye, wa woro. Me do ti je, yeri yo wo. Okono wa ari na dia ma ri bi o problem mi ro. Igo ni wa kwa, emi wa ka mi je, ya wa ko ya enjoy bi. Ya ga ni wa ko ni ya ara, but mama ka we man before, you know ze za ko no man. Ogo wa mo ni wa te pe no ya boda yen gbe, ni ni go me zo wa yen e bona mi gi ge be police. Ni we police gbe yen ya ki ko ke. Ni police wa mu ni amu ba rin. Ni san. Na wa da no ha gbi ho ko no gbi ho. So my people, whenever you wa, and God put one opportunity for life, 2, 3, God they give an opportunity, but not they choke me between us because of dirty character. I may not ban a few warrior. I may not ban a few warrior. Ah, son, I may not ban a few warrior. I feel warrior in me. Or so now we know when you get home, may allow what? Then the moon warrior. I will not go on the lake and in Malacay. E malake ti fi borie de ni awo yin o level o ya kan ge awon be bi na ge omi mo awon ni bi be rie e da bunya ya yi separate da kan ko do kun ge da na ga ga de ge o awo ko na wa ga wo ko na he o ko si no a abi eni me no ni na dai bia eni si o ni abi ni dawo akwa kan so ko be na ya nwa ni mani be we ni punish you ni am opportunity to pa wa bu am fo e ma na na nia ya ga go sin ya ga go gi na ga go sin ya go say ma na be careful on no word if you dey husband house you will dey look me so you will dey look Mrs. BB I will open my face I will open Facebook I will use this to open on me that one I will use me for that one unime ya ki which is my name not that ya will me go back because only enera Inijene tiene they settle down that are naming that name. Mama secretary say if he brought this one, if now gay, mama get me guess. He go they call on me, right now we have like it. So which is my daddy and my mommy. They like the name, in the name. Because that mama, my pa love and well because my full housewife. Me yagba na to Odukun ya soton. It's a very beautiful woman. Because mama would advise us. Say we men, you may all we your word. You may know what of you. Everyone, then you are learning. I don't get papa again, but I feel like so I feel like this when you get papa. You know say if you get papa, your papa love you. You love mama when he born you. Even though your partner dey again, that protection don't every day. You go the guy, you go to protect you. Danger they go to jail, God they protect you. And that one I believe. My papa when he don't die, they see they protect my mama. Mama say they see. Hola.
Hola amiga. Come un corto de café. Va poco, mucho café, poco café.
So guys,
¿Hay más farina?
No.
What do you get?
I won't talk to her. Mama wait, this is don't just go like that. If I will tell you what mama they tell us. My husband no. He said you love mama. For you. I'm calling my people. I want to say. Nothing to read people. What you say? They know if it change for life. Well, I feel we are answer. That's not gonna dash, Over a shotgun. My people. Mrs. BP is working. It's so busy this morning. Busy. Okay. Let me zoom de piña. So my people, I don't come back. I can't serve. 9 minutes. So sometimes Mama go come call us sometimes. Mama picking me for my own. I too love Mama because I don't get friend like that. I don't blame me. I don't just get friend. I will say this one of my best friend. No, reality will not day my life like that. Mama be my friend. So I so much love my mother and my husband like my papa now because my papa don't late. Fine, with my waiting, it must happen. Nobody go from here fly. You must go one day. That's why it's good to be good. So the Mama go tell us, say, so they go to Nigeria, you come. Go say, you go feed this phone. I will leave. I will find them here. Come away, Mama. I will them here. Come away. Them here. Say, what we want? You will see where you rest. I will they will know where free na me we had to go. We just man, with them. How flash me? You were. So I look at me and say, my friend, I also flash Mama. Oh, because we are going to Nigeria corner. Mama go your whole life. Sometimes 30 minutes. Do I work by Kuse? You want we have your bug. You want to happen. Agora, quando vai me me, olha marriage. Agora que você não olha como não de. Assim, minha baby moi. Agora agora tá um que você o que conhece bem lá me. Eu vou ir ao godo. Agora o ia lá o viede olha água.
Um café com leite fogo.
Agora, ele come. Yes, I'm coming. I'm coming, Mrs. Dip is busy. I'm coming, my people. I'm coming, I'm very busy. Eh? I'm curious. They're busy. Really? Come here, they're busy, eh? It's okay. Come back. So, mama, so mama, what now? First, I say mama issue. You go call me, go see advice. No, where we are, where we are. Because I'm not know anything about mistake for children marriage. People somewhere they just at home. Me, why is what? But now, where I mean, you know. So, people were here. About the way you are best. I want to listen to it. I don't want me. For the advice, we give me the hour. We know we will be here. I'm about to be. For the advice, no, I say the advice my children. No, but say send me money. Pick a break leg. John said they want pay school fees for. I want mommy go pay school fees in November. Do my job. Any year why is job. You know we be mama. Do when they you know everything finish. If you now want to be saving, get the character be so there for everyday's life. We be so now there is what my husband. No, I'm supposed to teach my children. We say no, we not there with now. We be so now not fit go just enter bicycle, motor, car, go where the day at instant go advice. True phone, mama they call a pikin. No, go advice my children. because the lack of advice, the lack of wisdom. When I go to advise them, so some people now they don't see who they want to tell their history to. They are what they pass through, they don't see who they want to tell. They go tell one friend come advise, they go come go fall for side, they go to not supposed to fall put. Now you win the mama. Those not see when you say get papa now with the advisor. Now they hear me so the advisor. Mama they marry I'm go job. A woman no man soon and you are soon if you don't break that sacrifice, if you don't break that yoke is broke forever. That thing will follow the king they come. If you be mama, you go marry, they don't put money for your hand. That cost, so your children will be now by the grace of God. I'm going to give you money. I because so when you say we even men I can buy a boa very it sets. Now I mean to be no was in the corner with our way boy. Fair woman. Oh yeah, boy, you take me no I'm not be like the Kebama day one day. Let me hear banner so full. This woman had that he made vow, say if you never sleep with any man for your life again. Man, you know, it's when I want to be. That is why my parent said so they go come they talk to her house. They talk to her. Say when on your ancestors, they protect you, be good one, they protect you from danger. So you know the advice us, they go see for say what the na bia mo ko. The na bia mo e dara bi vien va e para be jeme ni kini. Iye mam go so ma wa me ga ma anjuma ti tun em na the time go the mama go say e dey join my husband. No we va join. O we go dey by me. That we no then ya agreement again. And mama to correct. So as mama bless so other women be marriage for the son. Because I believe say someone wey dey scatter today now we be mother for Nigeria. Someone even want make their children even marry. All the husband go dey make money. But the Kenyan go say where they want to end life. But they have any idea what to do because they have me. Whenever we be job, me me soro no cause a job. No, why only be where they marry? In the park when they come to Juro, when they chop up, when they give the advice. You know good people. So I do love mama. The mama me for no say woman what you ma aba kwe mana ri kwe na oe ora o. Why me ko no boss you are gone. Je mo ya mi ton ni me wa be ti o me o no ka be no o do khiama o khiama ne wa me no ya khala o je o khiama ma awa me ge wi jo na itu no wo so. O se je mo ya pitan we ri me e wa ge na nwa Tamia, another army, man go build house, he go build room and one room. Fine. The man go still get one room. If man say constant way to then I go to say in your marriage not be like that. You have the ram of baby, the bed of yes, say ram of the bed of the bed of you have about 24 hours. He said now you go. Now go for the phone. Ya Maria, ido ya na wana tumi de we na ya hu na be do pa na do tam de igi me metene mana we je agwa me bi ha pa ya we do ba gunu anje na kanu we no wa follow ago ina we me ya se story me ave do me aro na me ka ya hu na re ina we ayo bo na gunu we wa we scatter na so ba kokko nu ene so mama ta tell advice me say you live because of money, your eye open for money, you live your happiness. Make it go whether you marry. Now whether you marry, when marriage, you and man will do the same house, eat together, sleep together, cry together, happiness together, and for forever and ever, in tears, in pain, everything. Part of the time they take the door for church. I won't know me, my son, eh? No, I tell you, you want to tell me where Larry will have to walk back to the area of Jerry. Ekene o anne mi la mu kai lo ba mu lele gbe o ma ho ni heni story ni make na to o se mo ko bungbo ni ebiele o be ya be dase be yo ni make na to ya na e ya ro wa ko e wa control ya woni ni na be di agbe e wa ti no na mama dey call all of us. He will call this one, he will call this one, he will call this one, he will call this one. The hell of na dey o sleep we na house back here the ring winner they don't go work again. O ba wa kere be la ko e o ya no rin do na no hi o e agba we ni jimi jemi. No, that one, yeah, so a well winning, no, woman. Don't buy the again, don't that do a woman let me am Latin. Don't buy when I'm sewing, don't buy bin about me because why that love is here. You love you around. If real man really love you, really care for you, if the blood love is there, forget about money. That make kind people when you poor and their love and sweet pass. Because I want to go now. Tomorrow I go Japan. Next tomorrow I go America. They're gonna now don't wait till stay up on what? Away again, I love you real. I love you real because you are going to surprise. I want to wife work. I don't know why we give you boy was here. So I've done my best my children. The way my mother used to tell me. Now they advise my children. I'm very good. Now what is the important? If you be man, if now you born the man, so they advise your son. So they don't work. So they have nothing now here. Never be for suits. Now they will not want quarrel. We don't need divorce again for marriage. We want the marriage go unite. We go they okay balance. So now we dey pray for my brothers and sisters. I want to call this video like this. So those who say una so na to dey pay una. Wanna go meet doctor. Me me be kono go kono le ekiafu. Man understand? And about that so say that so we no kin. I don't hear many things. Friends they tell me if I have me because I don't do go describe myself to you. Because men can when you who want your job as when I go kono work or ya me doctor, me do my fashion way. Because all of what are some people not do me can get off well. Ama we look at advice was ama work people don't dey. So I greet you all. One more thing. If you are not just subscribed to my YouTube channel, just try and subscribe. It is me. This is BB Show. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh, but we are happy anyway. Subscribe. Come on, press the notification bell. But we are on subscribe to BB. You are blessed. Yes, a faith. I to say it with all my mind and faith. But we are when you are subscribing, you are blessed. I didn't mean I don't need a man where you go everything with the good for you, but they go on with good news. You are blessed. Yes. We are what we are aware of our red line now. Subscribing now. You are blessed. All of you. In Jesus' name. Amen. And those that be viewing me also, my viewers, people are blessed. I really appreciate. God will protect you all. So I bless you all and you are blessed in Jesus' name once again. Amen. The team Pastor PIA, my big daddy, my spiritual father, Pastor PIA of Basek. You are blessed in Jesus' name. You are blessed. Amen. Bye.